Hi, welcome to another unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. As an adventure enthusiast and watching multiple YouTube videos, I finally decided to upgrade it from my Series 5 watch. Now, I was very hesitant in buying this for a few reasons. One, the cost. Two, if it's going to fit my small wrist. And three, because I'm buying this about 4 months later, that they'll be coming out with the second generation, probably with some minor upgrades and some other colors. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some key features of what I'm most excited for and why I ultimately decided to buy Apple's flagship watch. Get inside this box here. So I went with the trail band, and see here, let's open this baby up. All right. Okay, and there's the band and the watch. So let's get, you know what? I want to open up the watch. What the heck? So inside this box, you should find the Apple Watch Ultra. It's right here. Oh, it feels nice. You'll find a charging cable and of course your user's manual. USB-C. Perfect. All right, let's get right down to the Ultra here. Oh, it's already opening. Look at that, it's already opening. Well, the first thing I notice is that it really doesn't feel that big, and it feels like it's durable and it's fairly light. I love the big screen, and to be honest, they probably could have gotten just a little bit bigger. I mean, for me anyway, even with the size of my wrist. Now, I did try this on at the Apple Store at West Edmonton Mall, Edmonton's largest mall, before I purchased it. I was iffy about ordering it online just because I heard of other YouTubers going through saying that the smaller bands are not good for them. And it's true, the smaller one didn't fit me too well. I had to go with the larger one. So here's the... Feels nice, very similar to what I had before. As I was putting on the Ultra watch, it felt great right off the bat. And you'll notice that on the Ultra here, it has a sleek, stylish design. It's basically edge-to-edge display. It's slim, it's lightweight body, and it does fit comfortably on my wrist. Now, this display, to me, it's bright, it's clear. It's got, I think, vibrant colors, and everything looks great. And I like this, where you could go into night mode here. That's cool. And yeah, and on the back of the watch, obviously, you have the heart rate monitor and other sensors that help track your fitness and your health. The Apple Watch Ultra, it's packed with features. It makes it a must-have for anyone looking to stay connected and stay healthy. But the features I am most excited for are a longer battery life with up to 60 hours in low power settings, which is available now, and up to 36 hours of normal use. The dual frequency GPS, which uses L1 and L5 frequencies, it basically makes it more accurate for positioning. The action button, which basically makes it a fast track to pretty much anything you want on the watch. And it has 2000 nits, which makes it great for using it outside. So there you have it, the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm very excited to use this on the daily, and I do plan on making some more videos like my favorite apps and what I'll think about this watch in 2 weeks' time. So far, I'm really liking it, and like most smartwatches, it's a great accessory for your active and connected lifestyle. So are you thinking about picking one up? And if you have one already, let me know in the comments below. Did you know I have several YouTube channels? Here are 2 of them. One is my personal tech adventure channel. Here we talk about photography related topics, what inspires me like hiking in the mountains, some travel, tech reviews, and much more. The other YouTube channel is my biking sports channel. Here I talk about how to repair your bicycle, some bike reviews, and tips on how to ride your bike. The most viewed video has over 1.7 million views, so I must be doing something right. All links to YouTube and other social platforms are on my About page. Hope to see you there.